Hello my beautiful skulls. As I mentioned in my previous video, I have a lot of mostly dead masks. So let's continue with creating these awesome Halloween looks. Today on my menu is zombie mask. But for the first time, I have zombie hands. Oh, how happy I am. I mean, women in my age are happy when they buy some shoes, clothes, and I'm happy when I have zombie hands. Also, I have here 3 bald caps. All 3 are different, and let's see. The first one is, I think this one is a regular bald cap. Okay, this one is like a full package. We have bald cap, spirit gum remover, makeup brush, lining pencil, liquid latex. And this one is very interesting for me because I never seen this before. Watermelon bald cap, no glue, no latex. I will think about this one. No glue, no latex? How I will apply this one? Okay, this one is S size, so I will open this one and I will use it. I don't know how I will put inside this here. I know I can make a small hole inside, yes, for my ponytail. Nice one. Edges are very thin. Okay, let's first apply my bald cap. For applying my bald cap, I need mastics. Mastics, where's my mastics? And to change my ponytail. See you in a second. I'm back and I totally pierced my whole bald cap. So this is the best I can with my nails. Anyway, this part behind I will glue at the end. I left this part like this because I don't want to glue my eyebrows and put it up and to do the same process 2 times. So this was a smart move. Bravo, Kika. Before I apply my mask and paint everything, I was thinking I need first to paint my hands. I don't want to glue and to paint because that would look awful. I will first paint my hand and after that I will apply them. But I will apply them at the end. My zombie hands! Oops. Okay, let's see. Excellent, excellent. They are covering my nails too. I'm thinking to paint my mask and my hands in gray tone, but light gray, and I don't have grease paint. But I will mix white and black grease paint and I will get that tone. Mix, 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 mix. So this is a bit... How stupid I am. I will paint whole hands with this light gray color. As a base, I will leave nails for end. I'm adding some brown tones a little bit everywhere to make it dirty, and I don't want that flat gray. So with this brown will look more realistic. You see, nice color we have. The texture on hand is perfect, so you don't need to do anything extra. On the spots where the latex is still visible, I will add white as a highlight. Just going on edges and tap and blend with my finger. Between fingers and this part, I will add darker gray. So as I said, everything is easy. You already know where to put light and where to put dark color. I look like an egg. Blend with my sponge. With my stipple sponge, I will take the same color and just tap to get more texture. For nails, I will use this color as a base. And now I'm nail artist. This is really interesting. You need to try this. Honey, your nails are awful. I really have a feeling that I'm doing nail polish on someone's head. Oh my god. And I'm awful nail artist. For inner part of nails, I will add dark brown. I will paint this with my very tiny brush. I just want to blend this dark brown with previous base paint. Now they look more 3D. When I finished everything, I will add some blood with my stipple sponge. And I will just tap like this. It's time for mask. I think I need to cut this part to talk to you. Let's apply Proceed on my face and on mask, but on edges I prefer. Okay, I can talk. Excellent! I will add more amount of Proceed on my lips because I will talk and I want to be stick very good. Everything else I will add on my mask and I'm going over edges. Okay, edges slowly. I think my head is a little bit bigger for this mask. Okay, so these parts I need to add more Proceed. Okay girl, it's showtime. I already look dangerous. Like my hands, I will go first with light gray as a base for my face. Just step. Oh, too much paint. I apply a lot of paint, so I will transfer that paint on my head. I don't know what happened here. I think because of my ponytail. The same gray color is different on my ball cap, on my mask and on my skin. So I need to add some blending and darker and lighter tones. Here is the hole. I need to paint my body here too. This part inside will be totally bloody and red. So I'm just going with my gray on surface. Let's see. Yeah, I need some light and darker gray. Put darker gray on my head. Now I will take my brush and paint all places I couldn't paint with my sponge. I want to be sure I am applying gray color on the right place. I will now add red. After that, it's gonna be easier for me. Okay, now let's add red in mouth. Other side. This is very cool, zombie. Now nose. Going now with simple sponge and adding white paint. Everywhere I apply gray, I am adding brown. This is not the brown. I honestly, I don't know to say it in English. With my tiny brush I used for nails, I'm adding this dark red to make some dimension and 3D more. This is like open one, so I need to add here too. I will add at the end blood everywhere. You see, we have very good texture and it's easy to see where to apply dark and where to apply light color. Let's move on. I decided to paint them first in white and after that to add yellow. For small details, you need to look closer. Using dark brown to outline teeth, and I need to be careful again. Okay, I'm not reading. I got it! Add some black eyeshadow just to make them dirty. It's time for dark gray. Start to fill the biggest wrinkles. Can't wait to fill all wrinkles because, you know, we're getting our zombie. These small parts I will do off camera and go back. It's my assistant, sponge texture all over my neck. This blood is fresh blood from Cleveland and it's very long lasting. You see how different it is when you apply blood. I need to be careful here where are my teeth because I don't want to color teeth. Well, why not? I can add some blood on teeth. When you're making zombies, blood is never enough for me. You stick a sponge over those wounds and just tap a little bit. And everything that's left on my sponge, I will add on my shirt. It's time for hands and the end. Only lashes and we are done. And we are done. I hope you like my makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share.